Our second challenge with technology is an inadequate teacher preparation, and that could be if you're not comfortable with the constantly evolving use of technology in learning, or you feel like you're not prepared to integrate technology into your class. And it's completely okay to feel unprepared when beginning to utilize technology as an assessment tool, because after all, it can change in an instant. To combat this challenge, collaboration is key. Not only can tech-savvy teachers form a tech team that helps support the campus and train teachers to sign up to train others on up-to-date technologies, but some districts are even incorporating students as technology aids for teachers and their peers. And by doing this and having student tech gurus, students are getting to create ownership of their learning as well as work collaboratively with real-world experiences. There's some more information about that on this article right here if you wanted to research that. And this is also a video of a student's perspective on getting to be a tech guru on their campus.
So maybe you can talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, when Ben and I first came to the high school, there wasn't many students involved with our laptop program. That a lot of the policy and a lot of the applications and things that we were allowed to do came straight from the faculty and administration. And so Ben and I have worked really hard to get to bring a student voice into the policy regarding our laptops, and also the help network, and to create a group of students that can help other students, especially ones who are new to our school district. Because when new students come in from schools that don't have laptops, and then here our laptop system is so integrated into everything we do, it's often a hard switch, but we really have worked to make it as simple as possible for them. And we've pretty much evolved beyond the need to have an official tech team, because our students are just so capable and are so comfortable with these laptops that they can help each other informally without needing to go to the specific tech team member to get help. They can just ask the person sitting next to them to help them on something, which is
probably gotta take a little break because people have to come in.
Okay.
So, as that student was saying, when you have trained not only teachers but students how to form teams to help each other, then your entire campus can constantly receive that training to where everyone is comfortable manipulating technology. And in that aspect, you are helping to tackle the challenge of not adequate training when using technology in the classroom.